Kirugurio giki na kiri gikurehete hamwe makiria ma mabũrũri 30 kuma gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika, muoroto munene uma kwariria mamwe ma maundu maria makoretwo mari mihinga minene hari uthii wa na mbere guku bũrũri-inĩ.
Sub-Saharan African countries have used fiscal policy to facilitate economic growth by providing basic infrastructure while safeguarding macroeconomic stability. This is understandable given Sub-Saharan Africa's low income levels. But to sustain growth and address inequality, more and more countries are increasingly spending on poor spending in education and health with some success. More recently, new fiscal demands have emerged, including addressing domestic shocks like drought and external shocks such as global financial crisis and commodity prices.
Minister wa Kigina Henry Rotich ni wakunyitite ugeni minister aya kuma mabũrũri 30 gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika kurioire mweke ũcio kuhutĩrĩria imwe cia tabarĩra iria thirikari ikoretwo igĩtwarithia na mbere nĩguo gũkinyanĩria cioneki inya cia thirikari.
Structure spending, we completed the first phase of SGR covering about 500 kilometers that's now operational. We expanded the handling facilities in the Port of Mombasa and JKIA. In addition to completing and initiating a number of roads. We also added about 1,000 megawatts of power to the national grid, including increasing access to power by majority of Kenyans. These and other infrastructure investment boosted growth and raised productivity in the economy. The focus on infrastructure was a clear indication that the government was concerned with growth, given the low levels of income in Kenya.
Gukire uguo Rotich ni ugite ati urugari wa ithurano tharĩkĩro cia itoi cia Al-Shabaab na ng'aragu nĩ ikoretwo ikihotomia gukinyanĩra narua kwa imwe cia tabarĩra icio.
Growth has averaged about 5%. It has not happened without shocks, including election tensions, global fiscal crisis, terrorist attack, and drought. We estimate growth to be about 6% in 2018, well above Sub-Saharan average growth of.
Mishomanio ĩngĩ ta ĩno ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtabanĩrio mabũrũri ma Uganda, South Africa, Cameroon na ũndũ ũmwe na Senegal. Ngiribotera mohoro ma Njata TV de County ya Nairobi. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mike Kamau.